Hello everyone, even today we are going to solve problem on departmental accounting. From next video I start with new concepts of accounts. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of departmental accounting. Okay, the question is, from the particular prepare departmental trading profit and loss account and balance sheet of Gayatri Limited. Okay, the following informations are, they have given stock, purchases, sales, wages, departmental wise. Okay, here rent, taxes and insurance they have given 9,390. Sundry expenses, salaries, these all informations are given in consolidated expenses. Okay, which means we have to bifurcate it between departmental between A and B. Next, purchases, stock will be in trading account, purchase will be in trading, sales are also related to trading, wages also trading related item, rent, rates and taxes are related to P&L account, sundry expenses P&L account, salaries also is a item of P&L account, lighting and heating related to P&L. Discount allowed, profit and loss account, debit side, discount received, profit and loss, credit side, advertising, profit and loss, carriage inward related to trading. At the time of purchasing raw material, we are going to incur the expenditures called carriage inward. Furniture related to balance sheet, plant and machinery balance sheet, sundry debtors, creditors, capital, drawing, all these things are related to balance sheet. Cash drawings also related to balance sheet. Okay, the additional informations. Okay, yes, interdepartmental transfer of goods from department A to B at a cost price 420. Yes, from department A to B, in the sense for departmental A it is sales, for B purchase. Next, rent, taxes and insurance, sundry expenses, lighting and heating, salaries, carriage inward to be distributed in the ratio of 2/3 and 1/3, nothing but in the ratio of 2:1. Next, advertising apportioned in the ratio of 1:1. Yes, they have given 1:1 advertisement, equally means 1:1. Next, discount allowed and received to be apportioned as per sales and purchases. Discount allowed for related to sales, discount received related to purchase. So discount allowed sales ratio and received purchase ratio. Depreciation at 10% on furniture and plant and machinery to be charged in the ratio of 3/4 and 1/4, which means 3:1 ratio. Services rendered by department B to A included in wages of departmental B, which means wages, a service rendered by B is been included in included. Okay, here we are going to deduct it from B department, we are going to add it to department A. Okay, stock on 31st March 2015 is related to trading account, we are going to write it in credit side. Okay, these are the things which are very much important, we have to know these things. Yes, interdepartmental transfer they have given, so important items, rent. Okay, I'll just mark it here, rent, sundry expenses, lighting and heating, salaries and carriage inward. Where is carriage inward? These things have to be apportioned in the ratio of 2:1. Advertisement has to be equally, so major things are done here. Okay, let's calculate the wages value, because they have given, right, service rendered by department B to A included in the wages of department B. So calculation of wages, how much wages they have given. Wages for A 8,200 and 2,700, yes, which is been included in, see, service rendered by B department to A department included in the wages of B. Here the 500 value is been included. We have to exclude and we have to add back to the department A. So how we are going to write? Minus 500 here plus 500. Value will be 8,700 and 2,200 for B. This is the value of wages. Okay, this is the question. Okay, now let's solve the problem. Yes, this is the format. So departmental trading and profit and loss account. Always we are going to start with opening stock. Debit side to opening stock, to opening stock. You should know, you all should have the questions, then only you can understand. 17,400, 14,700, total will be 32,100. Next, purchases. 2 purchases 35,000, 30,000, total 65,000. Next, buy sales. Sales closing stocks will be in the credit side of the P&L account. Okay, buy sales 60,000, 40,000, total 1 lakh. Next, they have given wages. Wages is an expenses. Debit side we have to write. Yes, wages. Already we have calculated how much we got. 8,700, 2,200, total 10,900. Next, we have the expenditures called carriage inward. You have to look the questions where and all we are mentioned as trading account. All those items should be included in trading. Yes, we have carriage inward. Carriage inward is related to trading account. To carriage inward. In question itself they have given the ratio. We have to mention in the ratio of 2:1. So total carriage inward 2,340 into 2/3. Amount will be 1,560. 2,340 into 1/3, 780. Next, in the additional information they have mentioned interdepartmental transfer of goods from department A to B. So for department A we are going to consider as sales. So by transfer for A we are going to write it as 420 is the value. It will be nil and total will be 420. To transfer for departmental B we are going to consider as purchases, right? So 420 in the total. This is how we are going to write. Next, any other things we left? No, in the trial balance only these many informations are given, but in the additional information they have given closing stock. By closing stock, total 16,740 and 12,050. Total will be 28,790. Okay, so Now add, if we add both the sides, we are going to get total 77,000. Credit side balance will be highest, guys. 77,160, 52,050. Total will be 1,29,210. 77,160, 52,050 and 1,29,210. So this is the total. So to gross profit balancing figure. Carried down. So 77,160 minus above all expenses. So we are going to get 14,500, 3,950 and 18,450 as the total. So profit will be brought down here by gross profit carried down. Brought down. 14,500, 3,950 and total 18,450. Yes, again we have to look back this trial balance. Now we are going to calculate all the indirect expenses which we are going to write it in P&L account. Okay, so to rent and taxes and insurance, how much they have given? 9,390 as total. We are going to calculate in the ratio of 2:3. In question itself they have mentioned in the additional information 0.2. Okay, rent, I'll write it down here also. 2:1 ratio. 9,390 into 2/3. So total 6,260 and for B 3,130. Yes, next after rent we are having two sundry expenses. Sundry expenses also in the ratio of 2:1. So total 3,600 into 2/3, 2,400, 1,200. Next expenses we have salaries. 2 salaries. This is also in the ratio of 2:1. So total salaries we have 3,000. 3,000 into 2/3, 2,000 and 1,000 for department B. Next we have lighting and heating. Lighting and heating also in the same ratio. 2, I'll just write lighting 2:1. Lighting total value is 2,100. 2,100 into 1/3. How much we are going to get? 1,400 and 700. Next one we have discount allowed. So to discount, I'll just write discount. If you write it in debit side itself means it is an expenses. No need to write discount allowed at all. Okay, so discount we are going to calculate in the ratio of purchases. Okay, discount allowed in the ratio of sales, discount received in the ratio of purchase. Okay, I'll just calculate the ratio. Here I'll calculate sales ratio. Total sales of departmental A and B. For department A 60,000 and for B 40,000. Total 3:2 sales ratio. Purchase ratio, let's see how much we are going to get. Purchases for A 35,000. For B, 30,000. 3 zeros will get cancelled. 7:6. Calculate by 5 ones, 5 sevens, 5 six. So 7:6. So discount allowed in the ratio of 3:2. Isn't it? Yes. So 3:2. Total discount allowed. Total discount allowed 2,220 into 3 by 5 will get 1,332. Next, 2,220 into 2 by 5, 888. Sorry. Next, we have discount received. Discount received will be in the credit side. By discount in the discount received in the ratio of purchase ratio 7:6. 7:6. Total discount received 650. 650 into 7 by 13 will get 350. 650 into 6 by 13 we are going to get 300. Okay. Next we have advertisement. So in question itself they have mentioned advertisement apportioned equally. So equally means see 1:1 ratio. 3,680 if you divided by 2, 1,840, 1,840. Next, these are the expenditures. Yes. Finally, we have the assets here. For these assets, we are going to calculate depreciation. Okay. So, I'll just calculate and show you. So, how we are going to calculate depreciation? We have two assets, furniture and plant and machinery. Yes, first one will be furniture. For furniture, how much they have mentioned? Yes, just depreciation at 10% on furniture and plant and machinery. Okay, directly 10% we are going to calculate. For first one, plant and machinery. Sorry, furniture. Furniture value is 3,000. 3,000 into 10%. 300 is the depreciation value. This 300 will be divided in the ratio of how much they have given? 3:1. Here only they have mentioned, right? Next, plant and machinery. So value of plant and machinery 21,000. 21,000 into 10%, 2,100 in the ratio of 3:1. Okay, so I'll write it in the account. To depreciation, first one will be furniture. Furniture 300. Next, to plant and machinery 2,100. So 300 into 3 by 4 to 225 and 75 for B. 2,100 into 3 by 4 will be 1,575 and 5,025 for So these are the items that we are going to calculate. Yes, if we add both sides, obviously debit side value is high because the gross profit is very less. If you compare means you will get to know. So total debit side of departmental A is 17,032, for B 9,358. Total will be 26,390. Same will be written in credit side. 17 not 32, 9,358 and 26,390. So if you minus the total with the above gross profit and discount received means we are going to sustain net loss. That will be a balancing figure. Okay, 2,182 and 5,108. Total 7,290 is the net loss. So this is the trading profit and loss account. In trading account we have gross profit. When we are going to prepare P&L, there we sustain net loss. Okay, next we are going to calculate balance sheet. Isn't it in the question itself they asked us to prepare P&L and balance sheet. So this is the format of P&L. Let's calculate balance sheet now. Yes, so balance sheet as on 31st March 2015. You have to mention the company name if they have given in the question means. Here I just prepare a random table in order to calculate. Even you people have to write down the company's name while writing the heading. Okay, so you have to mention balance sheet of Gayatri Traders as on 31st March 2015. Like that you have to mention. So we will start with liability side. In question they have given, yes, the first liability will be always capital. We have to start with capital. Share capital or equity capital, whatever they have given, we have to write it down. So capital is 47,000. So I'll write it in inner column. So we have net loss now, we have to deduct that. So 47,660 they have given. Next we have to less net loss. How much net loss we have? 7,290. Negative values, no, we have to write within the brackets. Next we have drawings. Drawings we have to deduct from capital. If they have given an interest on capital means we have to add it to capital. Drawings will be deducted from capital. So drawings, how much they have given? 4,500. So if you if you deduct 47,660 minus 7,290 minus 4,500 will get 35,870. This is the total. Next we have sundry creditors. Total sundry creditors 30,650. No other liabilities, only capital and sundry creditors they have given. Very easy. Yes. Next we are going to start with assets. First furniture Furniture total we have to write it in inner column 3000 less depreciation 300 2700. Next, plant and machinery, I'll just mention plant. Total will be 21,000 minus depreciation 2,100 18,900 total. Next we have sundry debtors. Sundry debtors total, we don't have any bad debt, so we can write it directly 6,060. Next, cash, they have given cash 10,070. Lastly, we have to mention closing stock. Closing stock, you have to add department A and B. Total 28,790. Add both sides, so total should be equal. So I'll just add liability side 66,520. If you add assets, we have to get the same value 2,700 plus 18,900, and the total will be 66,520. So the answer is correct. So this is how we are going to calculate departmental trading profit and loss account as well as balance sheet. So balance sheet will be a consolidated one. Only income statement we are going to calculate departmental wise. So these are the overall concept of departmental accounting. Very simple concept. Here we are going to separate and calculate the expenditures of departments. How many departments a company is going to have, on that basis we are going to bifurcate, or we can call it as apportion the expenses and the income. How much A has incurred, how much B has incurred. This is how we are going to calculate. And the new concept will be called as interdepartmental transfer. From A to B or B to C, we will be transferring few goods and services. On that basis we are going to add and minus the values. Okay, this is regarding the whole concept of departmental accounting. Hope you all understood the concept.